Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can add or remove items from your Autoship order. So first, I'm going to start off with how to add an additional product to an auto shipment. And to do this, we're going to go to a product page for a product that we're going to add. So I'll just select this product right here. And we can see for the product I selected that there's the option here to add to Autoship. So I can click on that. And then it'll have you select the auto ship order that you'd like to add it to. So if you have multiple auto ships, you can pick which one that you want it to be a part of, or you can start a new auto shipment with this product if you'd like to do that as well. So if I wanted to add it to one that I already have, I would just click on it right there and then click continue. And it says added to auto ship 1. Now, if you'd like to remove an item from your auto ship, what we're going to do is click on the auto ship button here at the bottom of the home page, and then click on where it says manage auto ship for the auto shipment that you'd like to adjust. And to remove an item, you just scroll down and find the item that you'd like to get rid of. And there's the option to either completely remove it from the auto ship from this point going forward, or you can just have it skip once if you want to skip it on this auto ship, but then get it in future auto ships after that. But to get rid of it, we're going to click on where it says remove and then click remove item. And now looking at my auto ship, that item has been removed. In the auto ship area, you also have the ability to increase the quantity of a product if you'd like to do that. Or scrolling to the top, additionally, you can adjust the exact date that your next auto shipment will send out, the frequency and how often it will ship to you, or you can skip your next auto shipment completely or have it order right now. So I hope this video is helpful going over how to add or remove items from your auto shipment. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.